severe thunderstorm warning, and I'm seeing lightning. And this is what, oh, there's another one. And this is what it looks like at 5:30 usually. It is so dark. I'm going to keep you guys updated as that bad storm that had the tornado warning keeps moving this way. Whoa! It's a lot light on the camera, but like the sky is, but like, yeah, it's actually darker. Yeah, that's what you guys see on the camera over there. That's practically how dark it is everywhere. Besides right there, a little bit lighter. Whoa, there's more lightning. You can stay safe.